What is PORPIS? PORPIS is copyrighted, and it is an acronym for Planetary Orbital and Rotational Position Interaction Schedule. I propose that the sun, planets, and particular moons in our solar system constantly experience gravitational, magnetic, electrical, and electromagnetic exchanges. These exchanges of energy are what instigate seismic, volcanic, and atmospheric events on the planets, moons, and even on the sun. The principle of PORPIS is relevant throughout the universe. My PORPIS thesis is in direct accordance with my good vibrations thesis describing a unified, electrically based quantum mechanics and quantum physics theory. The strong force is electrical in nature, which proposes mass, or gravity, is an electrical phenomenon, which proposes that magnetism and energy of all types function from and through an electrical source. So, PORPIS proposes that by comparing the past dates and times of seismic, volcanic, and atmospheric events on the Earth and other celestial bodies in our solar system with the position of the planets and moons at those particular times, gives us the ability to predict numerous types of events in the future, such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and cyclonic storms here on Earth, and events on other planets and moons as well. We can also predict events on the sun, such as the 11 and 22-year cycles, sunspot formations, and the polarity of those formations, solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and the Hale cycle, and quite a bit more on the sun. So anyone can attempt to make predictions for future events by using the USGS seismic, volcanic, and atmospheric past event dates and compare that with the position of the 8 major planets and their moons when the events occurred. We can take that information and then compare the positions of the planets in the future to predict when events will occur in the future. I'm currently working on videos to show why I believe that each planet has a nickel iron magnetized core, and also why the sun has a nickel magnetized core, how and why they work the way they do. And I'll be explaining in detail how earthquakes work on the Earth, how atmospheric conditions work on the Earth, atmospheric cyclones and such events, and volcanic events. So I'm going to show all that in other videos and break it down more. And thanks for watching this one. So to learn more on how PORPIS works, you can view my other copyrighted videos and find out more of what I'm talking about from PORPIS and the good vibrations.